Welcome to the year 2345, where the only thing that hasn't changed is our love for McDonald's.
All right, guys, real quick, I'm going to show you this McDonald's commercial that I made completely from AI. But first, I want to show you guys the process of how I made it. It's really fast, real simple. I used Wondershare Uniconverter to create an AI commercial for McDonald's based in the year 2345. So let's check out how I made it. And then at the end, I'm going to show you the full commercial. Let's go. So the first thing that we need to do is go ahead and click right here on AI script generator. So we're going to be using the script generator from Wondershare Uniconverter. It's going to write us out a script for a commercial for McDonald's set in the year 2345. So let's go ahead and type that in. For the tone of script, let's go with humorous. And we got our script back. We also have the scene selection. This is going to work perfectly. Let's go ahead and copy all of this. Now, the next step, plug this into an AI video generator and I'll create the different scenes. And then we're going to come back over here to Wondershare and we are going to enhance the video to make sure that we have a high quality commercial. Now, let's go ahead and start generating the scene. I'm just going to go ahead and plug in all of these scene selections until I have the whole commercial created. Okay, guys, I just generated all the different animations for this scene and now we're going to put them all together. But first, what we need to do is create our voiceover. So let's head back over to Wondershare Uniconverter. Let's bring it up. And what we're going to do is just paste in our script. And that way we can get amazing voiceover for our AI McDonald's commercial. Okay, so let's go over here to text to speech. And we're going to go ahead and create our voiceover. I think we'll go with this one.
Bridge the gap between theory and practice in our dynamic classes.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, our voiceover is ready.
Welcome to the year 2345, where the only thing that hasn't changed is our love for McDonald's.
We have our script, our voiceover, all thanks to Wondershare Uniconverter. We also have the scenes that I created with a text to video generator. Now we're going to put all that together and then we're going to do the final step, which is enhance the video and really make it high quality. So we're going to have to use this awesome handy tool right here, AI Video Enhancer, just to bump up the quality and make it a lot better. So let me just go ahead and put all these clips together and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I just got done putting all the clips together. I added the voiceover, I added in a little bit of music, and the whole commercial is finished now. We got our futuristic McDonald's commercial created by AI set in the year 2345, and I think it turned out great. Now, the only thing that I have to do before I show you this commercial is we got to head back over to Wondershare Uniconverter and we're going to upload that video into the AI Video Enhancer because I want to make this upscaled. I want it to be the best quality that I can get it since I've worked pretty hard on this commercial. Click on this AI Video Enhancer. Let's upload the commercial. Click on AI Upscaler. We're going to upscale it 2x. We're going to make it much better quality. I'm going to export this and then I'm going to show you this entire commercial that I made with Wondershare Uniconverter. I can't wait to show you guys. So let's export this as a higher quality 2x upscale and we'll watch this commercial.
Welcome to the year 2345, where the only thing that hasn't changed is our love for McDonald's. Meet Robo Ronald, your friendly neighborhood McBot, always ready to serve you your favorite meal, now with zero human error. Ha ha ha. Well, almost zero. And check out our Happy Meal 2345 edition, now with anti-gravity toys that will literally lift your spirits. Good luck catching that, kiddo. Say goodbye to touch screens and hello to our new holo menu. Just wave your hand to select your meal. Ha ha ha. Remember, practice makes perfect. And our drive-through, more like fly-through. Ha ha ha. Slow down there, speed racer. McDonald's 2345. Some things never change, and our delicious food is one of them. We're still here, still serving, and you're still loving it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more McFun from the future. Until next time, stay hungry, stay foolish, stay McHappy.